मालेमगी चौखट लमजेल यावबा ngambagi magun chenba lamdam amani haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana haikhrei Popular government ama sembada saugatpa natraga saugattaba haiba asida National People's Party gi oinadi miyamgi apambagi matung inna firep lawani haina party asigi president Konat ke sangmana phongdokhrei amade security force na sathakiba thiba humbagi tongan ba thodok singda masing yamlaba khusukulai sing fare amade I nothing crabala lawlop KYKL ge Sergeant le haiba miyoi amasu phagat pangam khre khramjari ISCOM news ki manipuri pau miyeng tabiri papumna makputaram noksari haujik mapung oiba pau sing pijari Manipur hariba state ase malem ge chakhat lamjelda yawba ngambagi magun chenba lamdam amani haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana phongdokhrei wafam sing ase imphal ge palace compound laiba city convention center da nimit nini sathagada Manipur Global Buyers and Sellers Summit 2025 hogdokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibani Manipur ke Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana athoiba mithung oiduna hogdokhiba thoram aduda Manipur lenga ke Textiles, Commerce and Industries and Transport ke Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai amade Manipur Chamber of Commerce ki President Dr. Basudeb Singh su saruk yakhi Global Summit asiga mari lenana Manipur ge pothok kaya ge exhibition stall sing su uba phangki stall sing adu yangsilaba matung thauramga mari lenana Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana phongdokhibada Manipur da haujik miyamna awaba kaya mayokna rabasu IDP sing yauna lamdam asigi miyamna mana haijaba sinpham singda mai paknaba amade senmitlon phagatnaba honarakpa asina Manipur hariba state asi malemgi chawkhat amjelda yawba ngamba lamdam amani haiba khangma ngame Manipur da puthokliba pothok sing maru oina handloom amadi handicrafts ke products sing amadi GI tag phanglaba horticulture ge amadi organic ke pothok sing ase malem gi miyamna laktune yengbiyu malem gi kaithel da puthokpa yaba potlam kaya asige demand bu leira hairabade Manipur gi miyamna lenga ki mateng loinana piba ngamlagani haiki Manipur da tangdulai taba purakna hotnabada National People's Party na angamba thakta hotnari lamdam asida matau karamna tangdulai taba phibamda hanjil hanba yagani habgi matangda tongan ba CSO singna pirakhiba suggestion sing ngarang governor gi mafamda thamkhre haina Party asigi President oibada natana Meghalaya ge Chief Minister su oiriba Konat ke sangmana phongdokhrei wafam sing ase imphal ge Classic Grand Hotel da pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada nimit nini ge Manipur khongchatta ngarang imphal da thunglakhiba Chief Minister Konat ke sangmana phongdokhibani Konat ke sangmana makhata raduna pawmi singda phongdokhibada Manipur da tungkoiba tangdolai taba phibam ama purakna ba honabata natana lamdam asida party asige mapangal kankhat hanaba kana hotnari mahakna imphal da hek thunglabaga tongan ba phurup singi CSO singa unaduna wari sakhi tungda CSO singna thamlakhiba suggestion sing adu Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalaga su unaduna khanghanki loinana Manipur da leri ba party asige MLA sing party leaders sing state committee members sing amade Manipur da leri ba party asige youth amade women front ki singa su unaduna wari sakhi mahakna handak Manipur da lakpa asida CSO singa unakhiba amade party gi oiba mifam singda yamna positive oiba response phangki Manipur da saphongkhiba party asi haujikti national party ama oina maru oina awang nongpoki lamdam singda mara chetna leiba ngamlakpada natana center gi yaka yengbagi mahutta state khudingmaki mihut sing amade miyamga punna chatminari party asina pakhatana su miyamga chatminaduna miyamgi issue sing tabaga loinana Manipur da leiriba political gi ahoba ase mankhatpa ngamnanaba hena mapangal kanba party ama oihanna bahotnari Manipur da anoba popular government ama sembada saugatpa natraga saugatta bahaiba asida National People's Party gi oinade miyamgi apambagi matung ina firep lawgani nakal amaramda drug amade illegal immigration haiba issue sing asina Manipur khakta natana North East amade India pumbada achauba saitheng ama piribani India lengakna achumba policy program sing paikhatuna hairiba issue sing asi thengnaba ngamnaba hotnapam thoi haiki.
It is not about forming a government. What is important for us is what is good for the people. We are very clear again as a political party that any decision we take must be in the interest of the people of the state. It's not about the interest of the political parties or the interest of the MLAs or the interest of MPP. We will stand with the people of Manipur and we will do what is important and necessary for the people. Depending on the situation, depending on the discussion with all our MLAs and all our political leaders and our party leaders, we will decide on the course of action. That if that decision goes in the interest of the people of Manipur, we are ready to work anyway. But if it doesn't go with the interest of the people and it's a political decision that has been forced on to the people of our state, then obviously we'll have to sit and discuss. So therefore, in the larger interest, as I said, what guides us as our principle is what is best for the people of Manipur and for the state of Manipur. What will ensure that peace and normalcy returns back. The National People's Party is willing to cooperate and work in different circumstances depending on what is the purpose of the decision that is being taken. And if that decision is being taken and the larger interests of the people and is a decision that is going to be acceptable by the people of our state, definitely the state committee, definitely the MLAs and the national committee, we will sit together and decide on how.
Security Force nangarang kakching amadi Sagolmang Police Station konba tongan ba mafam anida sathaki bathiba humbagi thaudok singda khuzukulai amadi bom kaya phagat pangam khrei Security Force ki kangbo amanangarang kakching Police Station konba singkak pam Turel Buffalo Farm da sathaki ba operation amada magazine yawba AK ghatak rifle ama ahangba magazine amaga konana Z3 rifle ama semdoklaba single barrel rifle ama bolt action single barrel rifle mari insas LMG ge ahangba magazine ani insas rifle ge ahangba magazine ama SMG ge ahangba magazine ama SE 51 mm mortar bomb ama detonator amade ring yawba hand grenade ama pumpy bomb ani tongan ba caliber ge kapayari ba nongmai maru hompu smoke cell soft notes ani baofeng handset ani helmet ani BP jacket ama magazine post ani pistol holder ama madi tactical su ani fagat pangam ki nakalamaromda nimit asimaktada security force ki atopa kangbo amana imphal east district ki Sagolmang police station konba sangsang hill range da jathaki ba thiba humbagi thaudokta SBBL ani DBBL ama shotgun SBBL ama magazine yawda ba country made carbine ama country made .32 pistol ama 9mm carbine ge ahangwa magazine ama tongan ba caliber ge kapayari ba nongmai maru kuntra mari anti riot cartridge manga camouflage helmet ama iron plate ama amadi BP jacket ama phagat pangam ki Amaramda security force ki apun bakangbo amanangarang Imphal West ki uripok huidrom laikai zathaki bathiba humbagi thaudok amadara aina thingkhrabala lolop ke YKL ge self style surgeon ni haiba miyoi ama fabangam khrei farba miyoi adudi Bisnupur district ki kumbi laisang laikai dege Hausingna uripok khaidem laikai da laiba Khangembam Joy Chandra Singh atopaming Nande Kawi masagi sahi 53 sure hairi Manipur Police na motor vehicle gi kanglon thugaiduna gari thauri besingi mathakta sangsilakpa drive ki makhaja tharakpo aina ngarang tongan ba afam singde sathaki ba drive ta punna chalan taranipal isu tawkhrei loinana fine oina rupali singni fumanga chamanga khongkat pangam khrei masida natana motor vehicle na piba satna kanglon gi wangmada tinted film naptuna gari thauri ba singsu phagat pagal loinana hairiba tinted film sing adu lokthopagi thabaksu leptana sathari Silappada maru iba pau amok. Manipur hariba state asi malemgi chawkhat lamjel da yawba ngambagi magun chenba lamdam amani haina Governor Ajay Kumar Valana haikre. Popular government ama sembada saugat panatraga saugat tabahaiba asida National People's Party gi oinadi miyamgi apambagi matung inna phirep logani haina party asigi president Konark ke sangmana phongdokhrei. Amadi Security Force na sathaki bathiba humbagi tongan ba thodok singda masing yamlabagu sugulai sing fare amadi aina thingkhrabana lolok KYKL ge sergeant haiba miyoi amasu phagat pangam khrei. Hazur phabagi ne ISCOM news ge Manipuri pau matang asida loisinjari miyang tabiri bapom namakpo amukahna khuramjari.